JMeter does not support A. Load testing, B. Functional testing, C. Distributed testing, D. Monkey testing. And correct answer is option D. Monkey testing. JMeter does not support monkey testing. Monkey testing is a form of random testing where inputs are generated randomly without any specific test case in mind. JMeter is primarily designed for load testing, functional testing, and distributed testing. What is the purpose of assertions in JMeter? A. To create test data. B. To verify that responses meet certain criteria. C. To assert control over the test execution. D. To declare variables in the test plan. And correct answer is option B. To verify that responses meet certain criteria. The purpose of assertions in JMeter is to validate the response to requests sent to a server. Assertions compare the expected result to the actual result of the request at runtime. What is a test plan in JMeter? A. Document describing test cases. B. A series of steps JMeter will execute when run. C. A plan for purchasing test equipment. D. A schedule for running tests. And correct answer is option B. A series of steps JMeter will execute when run. A test plan in JMeter is a container of instructions that JMeter uses to perform a series of steps to run test. A test plan is made up of a collection of elements, including thread groups, logic controllers, listeners, timers, assertions, and configuration elements. What is a logic controller in JMeter? A. Device to control server logic. B. A component to manage the flow of test execution. C. A tool to write logical expressions. D. Controller for logical operations in databases. And correct answer is option B. A component to manage the flow of test execution. A logic controller in JMeter is a configuration element that controls the order, repetition, and selection of samplers based on logic or conditions. Logic controllers allow users to customize the logic that JMeter uses to decide when to send requests to a web server. What is the purpose of the View Results Tree Listener in JMeter? A. To display test results in a tree structure. B. To create a hierarchy of test cases. C. To show the file system structure. D. To visualize database table relationships. And correct answer is option A. To display test results in a tree structure. The View Results Tree Listener displays samples that the JMeter samplers generate, and the assertion results that are related to these samples. This listener displays the samples in the order they are generated by the JMeter script and provides parameters and data for each of them.